Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you SNB bank not working. If your app is not working properly, don't worry. In this video, I will show you simple and easy step to fix the problem. Just follow each step carefully. The first step is check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working. Turn your Wi-Fi off and then on again or switch to mobile data and try opening any website to test internet. If internet is not working, the app will also not work properly. And second step is restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix many problems. This helps remove small bugs and glitches. And another step is update the app. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Open Play Store or App Store, search for the looking app and tap on update option if it is available. And the another step is clear app cache. Clearing cache can fix loading and crashing issues. First, you need to go to the phone setting, then tap on app, then tap on apps or app management, select the app list or apps, then search for the looking app, select the tap on storage and cache, click clear cache. This removes temporary files causing problems. And the last step is reinstall the app. If nothing works, reinstall the app, restart your phone, install the app and install the app again from Play Store or App Store. And by doing all of it, this gives a free start to the app. If none of these helps, then you can contact to the customer service of the app by going on help center, and they may help you to solve the issue coming on the app. So that's it. These are the best way to fix app problems. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you.